So we've got the ORE steering guard, nice bit of kit, proper heavy duty bit. So we've got the plate, got 2 side brackets and the bolts to fit it. So just going to get underneath now. Darby's reading the instructions. I believe you have to undo these bolts here and there and then attach it somehow, but Darby's going to look at the instructions how to do it properly, so we'll get that done and get it fitted. Should look lovely.
ORE, great instructions. So the ORE steering guard is on, really easy fit, do what the instructions say, it's pretty spot on. The bolt that everybody says, well, that the instructions say you're going to need a blow lamp for, yes, you'll probably need a blow lamp for it. In our case, we are actually going to replace the bolt at some point because ours is pretty, had it, so, which is that bolt just here. The nut's not great and the thread on the bolt is pretty rough, so we're going to replace that at some point, but it was really nice, lovely on there, and something else straight off the list. So thanks guys again for watching. Any questions, let us know. Like, comment and subscribe. We're happy to go home. And yeah, hope you like the video. Speak to you soon, bye.